Hey guys, okay, so the creatives is finally out, so you can access it in ClosersCopy over here, and you can generate it. Generate any kind of images that you'd like to with ClosersCopy. So this is one of the most awaited feature in this tool, and I'm really loving it. Okay, so let's try drawing a few things. Something like this. Okay, let's draw. So this picture, this creatives is evolving day by day, so I can see a few additional fills in over here. It was not there the day before yesterday, and then I can see a few more over here. Okay, so yeah, I got the cat but without the hat. Okay. But this is really nice. Okay, so let's try something else. Okay, so this section is where you can exclude or what would you like to avoid in your images that will be drawn by creatives. ClosersCopy Creatives. So I would like to avoid black and white and watermark also, if there would be any. Okay, let's see. So within a fraction of a few seconds, it will generate the image, and the image that you will generate will be expired in 30 minutes. Okay, so that's the lake, the blue sky, and then the mountain, and the quality. Okay, you could see it over here. So this is the seed that I would like to get, and I would like to generate the same image, and 8K pixel perfect photo. So 16:9, draw for me. And this is for the enhancements. So if you turn it off, the AI would not enhance anything, but it would enhance, for example, eyes or hands kind of stuffs. So wow, that's what I got. So I changed the ratio also over here, and I used the same seed that it generated earlier from the prompt that I had input, and this is amazing. So that's the high quality image, and I can download it. I can just React lob on this one. Okay, so this is how you can create images from AI prompts, just like your regular text inputs. And this is one of the most beautiful new feature. All the features that are in ClosersCopy are already comprehensive and nice ones, but this has added a lot more value to what it had already. Okay, so with this feature, ClosersCopy is also running some pre-Black Friday sales. So if you'd like to get them, then just see the comments below, or check the link right below in the comment section. Thank you.